Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to use one of the iPod shades as an eyeliner. Okay, so we have Les Nuits and we have Les Jours. Each iPod consists of a core shade, which in Les Nuits it's the noir. It's a wash of black, I would say. It's not a super opaque heavy black, but it has some lightness to it. It's very buildable. But I just like the fact that it has this sheen to it and it doesn't feel like it's too harsh. And then you have your accent shade, which is the Vin Rouge. And then you have Champagne, which is the highlight. And then the same goes for Les Jours. Core shade, which is Chocolat. And then I'll mix in the accent shade, which in Les Jours is called Tapered. And then finally we have the highlight, which is Neige. So I'll use Les Nuits, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna use the eyeshadow 1 brush and I'm going to get a good nice helping of noir. So I'm going to follow my lash line here, starting gently nearly from the tear duct. Not too close because I don't want to bring my eyes closer together. So I'm just following the lash line. And depending on your eye shape, you may want to bring it up a little bit. Of course you can do, a full wing or, whatever it is that you're in the mood for. Depending on your eye shape, what looks best. Sometimes it's nice to just enhance the color right by the lash. I never wear an eyeliner, so it completely changes my eye shape. And of course, I always am forever trying to lift the outer corners of my eye. So there we go, I just did it, boom. With my eyeshadow 1. No, this eye looks very naked suddenly, so I'm doing the same. And if you like some definition, same applies to lower lashes. If you want more lash definition, you just do the same, digging the brush into your lower lash line. I like how it's strong enough that it's there, and it's like a soft metallic liner. I'm really obsessed with our new face trace shade in Truffle. So I might just add a tiny bit of Truffle using the eyeshadow 2 brush, just to make sure that my eyes don't seem like they are too droopy there. So lastly, I'm going to add a touch more I Love You mascara in Clean Black. Well, you guys have to let me know what you think. And I'd love to see what you all do with iPods as eyeliner. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and be well and be safe. Bye.